Alright, so I'm going to take this Bradford pear and turn it into actually to a fruiting tree. So this is going to be before the trimming, and then I'll show you during the grafting process. Alright, so I'm running out of daylight, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got here. If you'll see that, here's the nurse limb that give it the photosynthesis that it needs to draw in the nutrients to feed towards the grafts. And tomorrow I'm going to come back and seal these up so they won't dry out. And this is where I'm going to put my sign wood in to graft onto this Bradford pear. Alright, it's going to show you what it's like to do it old school, and it's rough with a handsaw. Okay, so I'm going to graft one limb, and I'll just show you how I'm doing it, and then what I'll do is graft it all up, and then I'll show you the ending result. So what you want to do is you want to basically get your sign wood. You want to basically bevel it on both sides like this. Just like that right there. And what your goal is to make contact with the cambium layer. You'll see the like a wood stock, and you'll see a light green, like almost like skin, and then you got your outer skin right there. But the cambium layer is just behind the bark, and that's what you want to make contact with on the cambium layer with the actual rootstock tree. All right, so I'm gonna graft this one right here. You can get just underneath the bark. Okay. And you'll see the there's the bark slipping. It's got good good cambium layer on this one for sure. I gotta get back over here so y'all can see it. Yeah. So what I'll do is slide in this rootstock, or excuse me, not rootstock, the signwood, okay. Then we'll get my grafting tape wrap.
And what I'll do, I'll wrap it.
Alright, here she is, the Bradford pear tree that is turned into a fruiting pear tree. If you'll take a close look here, you'll see the buds coming out. Starting to bud out. There's my nurse limb.